Hey guys, good morning and welcome to my channel Smart Choice Tech. Today I'm going to do my first video about a tech product actually. This is frontech UPS actually. I want to buy UPS for my PC. So I thought, okay, let's review this and start my channel, YouTube channel. So guys, please support this channel, like this if you feel that this video is useful for you. Please click the like button and support this channel to grow. I hope you will do it actually. So let's guys, let's open and see this product, and we'll see what are the features is there and how useful is this product. Before I just start this video, I want to say this product I bought it offline market only. So I bought it for approximately 1,800 rupees only. So online market, Amazon and Flipkart, you will get it this product. This is a 600 VA product, 600 VA UPS. Actually, it gives you 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes backup only. I think so. That's let's see. And this online price is actually approximately around 2,000 to 2,300 rupees actually. So you want to buy any product, some products will be online, you can go, some products you can always go for offline market, and you will definitely go to two three shops actually. Definitely you will get a very good product with warranty. And this product, let's start this review. And this frontech UPS is, I'll give you the specification actually. This is 600 VA. Okay, this is a product, frontech, the brand, the model number is FT2561 UPS electra plus actually frontech. It's a maintenance free battery they are giving, and LED indicator is there here, where you can see that actually that battery how much is there, whether it's a red light or green light. If green light is there, battery will be there, I think so. Okay, you will see. And the power switch is there, this is a power switch. Okay, and the generator compatible. If you want to connect to your generator, actually you can you can connect to this uh, connect to that generator also. Okay, so guys, this battery is 1 year. This maintenance free battery is 1 year warranty, and the whole unit actually 2 years warranty they're giving. Okay, guys, and apart from this, that is 600 VA. 600 VA means it give you, here you can just see that specification actually. Here all the details is given. You can take a screenshot and you can go through that actually. Okay, so you can see all this voltage is there about 600 VA. We give you 50 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes backup actually. This specification complete is given here. How to use, features is there. We are micro controller based, all these features is given. You can just go through that actually. And if you want to buy, you can buy the same product offline. You can go to any computer shop and you can buy. Okay guys, so let's open this product and see how is the product actually. Let's open this one. See, it has got a very good nice cable is there. Quality is very good one, cable quality. So let's open this and you see, take it out. So guys, this is a manual is given, all this thing how to use it actually. It's a very simple instruction. You have to press this button and turn on, and you can leave it overnight actually, so that automatically it'll get charged. Okay, so how to plug it, and it has got three plug point is there. You can connect to monitor, you can connect to your CPU also, and if one more is there, you can connect to any other device. If you want to connect, you can connect. Okay guys, so let's keep it aside and open this one. Okay guys, just take it out like this, and keep this thermocol with you always, this box and all. So when if you want to claim the warranty, it will be very useful, and you want to pack it and take it for the warranty, it doesn't work actually. So the UPS is very small, tiny. You can see that actually, very heavy, but very good one. Quality wise is as per this price actually, this quality is very good. and the cable quality is also very good actually. You can see this. So nowadays people are making it thin actually, but this for this UPS quality, this product, this pin and all, very good quality. So I really know totally satisfied about this price which I given. So I just wanted to test it actually. So let's turn on this and then see. Let's turn on this. I think there should be some what do you say, there should be some battery backup will be there. Let's turn on and see. So guys, this is I turn on. So battery is green only, no? So it's green. So battery, some battery is there. If you want to connect, you can see it says beep sound will be there. Until the backup is there, it will be give you a beep like this. When the battery is coming down totally, it's going to drain actually. At that time will be beeping fast. Okay, so it means you have to put it for charging. Okay guys, so when they started beeping faster, then you should know that okay, I have to put it on charge actually. So always put this plug actually in the mains, so that it will be always on and always will be charging. Okay, so only when the power goes off automatically it will give you back and your PC will not shut down. Okay, so what happens, your PC will be safe actually, and you can know safely use it. The PC, your backup will be there, your work will be saved actually. You can immediately save it. You can use it for 15 to 20 minutes actually. Okay, so that is the, because its battery capacity is only 600 va. If you want to buy bigger batteries, then you have to go for a bigger configuration UPS only. Okay guys, for this time being, just to not to shut down abruptly your PC, and you save your work actually within 15 minutes. If the power comes in your area, then there is absolutely no problem. You can go for this UPS and you can save your work, and you can just use this product. Okay, so guys, you can see the body and all. It's let's show you the everything is heavy, quite heavy. And inside battery you can see the plug point actually. It's very nice actually, quality wise everything is perfect. Okay, so it's in the, you can taste in the bottom also you have one thing, but you should have given some rubberized one, so that but not a problem actually. So here there should be some rubber so that the grip will be there, so it not move. But anyhow, you're not going to move this one, so doesn't matter actually. As far as the quality wise is very good actually. Guys, if you want to buy this kind of UPS, go for offline market only, don't go for online market. That is what my personal experience and personal suggestion for you. Okay guys, you will get a cheaper price, as well as you will get very good support also. You will get a invoice, proper invoice, and everything. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please support this channel, keep watching my channel. You will get a lot of new products actually coming soon actually, every day. I'll try to put every day, but every day is not possible, I think so, because let's see, like anything very interesting, good products, I definitely put it actually. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon in the next video. Until then, you take care. Bye bye.